to Josh's gardening channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to grow food yourself. So, you should all be getting a care package, and in that care package, you're going to get some soil, a couple of these fiber pots, 3 of them to be exact, and you're going to get a little dish that has some seeds in it. Alright, some things that you will need other than what we provided for you, or maybe a container so you don't get things too messy, too dirty, and some water. Alright, so we are going to give you a couple different seeds, some tomato seeds, cilantro, and some cayenne pepper seeds. We distributed the seeds to you all in one, so you're going to have to be able to identify which seeds are which. So let's take a look here. I'm going to dump these out. Hopefully you can get a good look at those. So these seeds come in a variety of different shapes and sizes. So the easy ones to pick out are going to be the coriander or the cilantro. They're going to be these round seeds here, right? Okay. So the next 2 seeds, the cayenne pepper and the tomato seeds, they look very similar, but the tomato seeds are going to be quite a bit smaller. Let me go ahead and dump out these. Okay. So now we have a little bit more to work with. Okay. Alright. So here you can see we have 2 seeds, 2 different types of seeds. These larger ones, large flat seeds, are going to be our pepper seeds. Your tomato seeds might come in 2 different colors, sort of a brown and a lighter tan. So it's can be easy to confuse the 2. They're going to be more teardrop shaped versus these pepper seeds. All right. Now that we were done identifying what our seeds are, we can get our pots ready. In order to do that, we're going to take our soil, go ahead and dump it into a container. Right? So the soil is going to come kind of moist, right? I like to go ahead and add just a little bit more water, just so our seeds have a pretty good start. All right? Don't be afraid to get a little dirty, guys. We're making life here, so. Okay, so now you don't want to add too much water to where the water squeezes out. So this isn't very well mixed, that's why I'm able to squeeze out water out of it. So just go ahead, mix it all together. If you want, you can use a shovel or a spoon. Make sure you just wash it afterwards. Or just use your hands. So now you can tell the soil is able to stick together, but it doesn't stay stuck together. It's still pretty loose. And that's what we want. All right. So yeah, no water drips out. You're good. All right. We're just going to loosely fill these up. Go ahead and fill them up to the top. And then you're going to want to get some of the woody bits out. It's not necessary to have those as we're starting. And the good thing about these pots, I should mention, is that they're made out of coconut fiber. So they're fully biodegradable. So when it comes time to transplant these into something bigger, you'll just go ahead and take this whole thing with your little seedling in it and plant the whole thing into the pot. And you'll cover the pot completely. And a little bit of the stem too. That's going to promote some root growth off the side and make sure that your plant is strong and stable. All right. So we have our 3 different pots filled here. We're going to plant 3 different plants. So let's go ahead and we need to know how deep to plant these. We're just going to plant them at a 1/4 inch. So Just making a small little hole like that. Right, so not terribly deep. All right, and then I like to go about 3 seeds in each hole. So let's start with our tomato seeds here. There's 3 of them right there, ready to go. And we'll just take some soil, pat it over the top, make sure there's good contact. All right, go ahead and get 3 pepper seeds, just like so. Add some more soil, tap it down. Now I need to go fishing for my cilantro seeds. Here we go. And we're giving you guys a little bit more seeds than you need, but that's okay. Sometimes not all seeds germinate, meaning they don't all come to life. Alright guys. So the next thing you want to keep in mind is to make sure that you keep the soil moist, right? You don't want it to ever dry out. And you should see some seedlings pop out within a week, 2 weeks at the most for most of these plants. Also, it'd be a good idea to write down what you're growing. So tomato, peppers, and cilantro. Once you get these started, your tomatoes are going to want a lot of sun. So if you can, get them at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. Peppers do pretty well, they can do okay with less sun, but it's still a good idea to get them quite a bit of sun, at least 6 hours, and cilantro about the same too. Alright guys, just taught you how to grow food yourself.